Nag-stop kami dito sa gas station. Hindi nyo kami makita. Ano pa? Ay, come on. Tara. Pardon? No, not yet. Ayun, kagigising lang ni Kuya. Stop jumping, Baba. Stop jumping. Good morning!
Good morning.
Ang aga nila. Diyan sila sa spa. Kasi wala namang ganap ngayon umaga. Kasi si Jan, kami. I know, kasi spa yan eh. Si Jan, ang aga niya kanina. Kasi trinap off niya yung car sa car service. Kasi nga, junior for car service. And walang ganap ngayon umaga. Kaya ayan, nandyan sila nakababad. Oh, because my ako dyan. I have a bit sore. Ito. May band-aid yung aking pa. Wow. Pardon? Oh. Is it massaging your back, Baba? Is it nice? So, dyan muna sila magbabad. It's hot? You're hot. Nabuboard na sila kasi walang car. Anong oras na ba? 9:42 a.m.
Look at my name.
Wow! Wow! Oh, wow! Wow! Nagmamodel-model siya. Oh, wow! Ganda! Galing! Today pala is June 26 and I know late nyo ito mapapanood guys. Pasensya ulit. And yeah, bored na sila and ako dito lang ako kasi malamig. Sobrang lamig. Sila ready na ako, hindi pa ready. Mag-try ako mag-edit. Oh, Saki boy, say good morning again.
Good morning.
Morning. Na-bored na sila. Nag-hide and seek na lang sila dito. Oh. Hanapin niya si Holly. Asan si Holly?
Over there. Where you hide?
Okay.
Here? Yeah. Yeah. Not me here.
Kuya, kitang-kita ka naman dyan.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go find them, Baba.
Hey, where's here?
Where are they?
Easy.
Where's Kuya Sak?
I'm not here.
Alis sila. Ready na yung car. So si Jan, tsaka yung boys, pipick upin nila. Magta-taxi sila.
I want to see the taxi.
You wanna see the taxi?
We just gotta wait in.
No, Baba, because they're gonna wait outside. Come on. Wash your face, Baba. Kami lang naiwan. Ako, nakaligo na rin ako. Magbibis na lang si Mami. Okay, watch your cartoons, Baba. Good girl. Kawawa naman siya. Hindi siya sinama kasi walang car seat yung taxi. Oh, ba't sila kumakatok? Yes?
I'm in my hat.
Oh, kailangan niya daw yung hat niya. I don't know. Where did you put it? See? That's why you have to put in one spot. You have your bag here. Here. No, maybe it's in your bag. Look, hurry up. No? What happened to your face, Zachary? Who scratched this? Nasa ilalim ng couch. Nakabihis na ako and yung buko siguro straight ko to. Yes? Pardon?
Ringing Dad.
You're ringing that. Wala pa sila dyan. Tinatawagan niya raw si Daddy.
I said be quiet, Mom.
Narinig niyo yun? Sorry. And, sinacharge ko yung aking laptop. Kasi mag-i-edit ako. And, pupunta kami kila Blue Eyes. Nandun din kasi sila Mom and Dad. So, pagdating nila dyan, doon kami pupunta. And, yeah. Straight ko lang siguro yung buhok ko, no? Hindi ko binasa. Kasi binasa ko lang to kahapon. So, straight ko siguro to kasi buhagag siya. Painitin ko na yung aking. Oh, nandito na sila. Hi!
I sit in front.
Did you? Are you allowed?
Yeah,
So, ready na kami. Hinihintay na naman nila ako. Na-straight ka. Tapos ko i-straight yung buhok ko. And naglagay ako ng coat kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. And pupunta kami kila Kat after siguro namin pumunta kila Blue Eyes. Kasi mag-spaghetti raw si Kat. And mag-chicken kasi birthday ni Veronica kahapon. Happy birthday, Baba. Pero late mo ito mapapanood. So, okay. Yung camera, battery. And eto, sige. Alis na tayo. Feeling turista sa Korea. Feeling ko guys, nasa Korea ako. Dahil dito sa aking pahat na to. And dito pala kami sa Harbor Town muna. Kasi si Jan, pupunta siya sa Oak Lake. Kasi papano niya yung itatry niya kung pwedeng palitan yung lens ng kanyang shades. And tas tingin ng medyas na mga bata pang golf. Tapos kakain na rin dito. Okay? How do I look, kuya?
Artist with the artist hat. That's how we do.
Mukha raw akong artist dahil sa artist hat ko. Korean to, kuya. Ano ka ba? Alam mo naman ang mami nyo.
Can you say the line?
Okay, wait. Yes, good, Han. Okay, let's go. Anong oras na ba? 11:40. 11:40. Baba, you alright? Wait, Baba, ha?
I can.
Okay, you can.
Don't forget my
Let's go. Ayan si Baba. Baba, show your outfit, Baba. Wow. Baba, show your outfit. Let me see. Wow. Pasok tayo dito sa Andorama. Ang paborito nilang shoppingan. Do you think your friend's here, Baba? Where's your friend, Baba? Say hi to your friend over there. Go there. Baba! Friend na sila. Say hi! Say thank you. T-shirt. Naghanap siya ng t-shirt. Ito pala yung outfit ko for today. Ang coat na to, nabili ko to sa H&M. Tapos ito sa JJ's. Tapos crossbody bag. And leggings and naka-Nike ako. Tapos ito sa Meyer ko to nabili. Itong pahat natin. Tapos ito yung Gentle Monster na Dreamer 17. So yan ang ating looks for today. Diba? And ayan si Johnny Boy. And the kids. Na Holly. Yeah. What? Okay.
She just asked me, she goes, can I go home with my girlfriend?
My girlfriend. Friend na sila talaga. Ayan siya, nakakuha na siya ng blue t-shirt. Parang meron na siya nito. Eto nga, I like this. May specific kasi siyang tinitingnan sa tela. Let me see. That one is good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, Baba. Yeah, you hang out with your friend. Sabi niya si Olive na mayroon daw doon na pink na bag para sa kanya. Ayan, lucky. Para sa kanya. Baba, you're right there, Baba. Are you waiting for your friend? Say bye. Bye. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. See you again. Say see you to your friend now. Bye. Sabi ni Jan, bilhin daw niya to kay Sak. Ano? It's closed, hon. I think they're just about to open. Sarado pa yung Oakley. Hindi pala siya sarado. Dapat 16 people lang yung dapat nasa loob. So, maghintay tayo. I'm gonna buy my food, okay?
Oh, like that.
Yeah, like before. Okay, see ya. So, iwan ko muna sila dito sa Gloria Jeans kasi ang punta ko doon. Alam nyo naman yung kinukuha ko pag dito kami sa Harbor Town. Yung Mexican na, ano ba yun? Basta ipakita ko lang sa inyo. Pero pasok muna ako dito sa temp. Tingin-tingin muna tayo dito baka ako kumuha ng pagkain ko. Akala ko nag-close na sila. Kasi doon sa T3 Plaza, sarado to eh. Parang hindi na, wala na sa business ba. So dito open. Tingin lang. Meron dito si Holly, oh. So mas maganda yung kay Holly. Ito manipis lang. Thank you. Thank you. See ya. You too. For sure, tapos na yun sila dyan. Tsaka yung mga bata kumain. Ako, papunta pa lang ako doon kung saan ko kukunin yung pagkain ko. And eto pa rin yung mga nabili ko doon sa temp. And sana wala na akong makitang store dito na papasukin kasi maghihintay na matagal yun si Jan doon. So, muna ako ng pagkain. Malayo-layo pa naman yun. Dito ko kukunin yung food ko. Yung quesadilla, yung Mexican. Ayan. Ayan pa. Thank you. See ya. Ha? Toilet for who? Saka, come on. Nakita na nila ako. Ha? Okay, come on, Baba. Connor, okay. Ha? Come on. Nagsalubong kami. Where's the toilet here? Wait, Baba. You see it? Okay. Where's Zachary? Baba.
In the toilet.
Kanina pa kami naghihintay ni Holly.
That's toilet.
I don't know. Naiinip na siya.
What is that toilet?
Maybe he's sleeping there now.
No.
Take him so long. Don't go inside, just look. Just say, Zach, Kuya Zach. Are you still there? Eh. Wow! Namili ka na naman. That's nice. Ayan si Zach. Chinek siya ni Jan. Sabi ni Zach. No, don't touch it, Papa. No, come on. Ayan, nagpalit daw siya ng damit kasi yung suit niya kanina mainit na raw. Kasi maganda yung weather, hindi ganun kalamig. Okay lang. Kaya ayan, nagpalit siya, oh. Binili niya yan. 3 raw yan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Naghahanap kami ng pang-regalo kay Veronica. It's alright, Baba. Hold Mommy's hand. Yes. Dito kami sa Smigo. Hi, good, thank you. Come on. Wow.
Bata Veronica.
For who?
Veronica.
Veronica? Buy daw for Veronica.
Mama, look at this.
Nice. Wow, it's pretty.
Mama got it.
No, you don't have money.
Robert can take it home.
May hinahanap si Kuyang pencil. Which one? That's the same Saker's pencil case.
No, it's same as Zach's.
Pencil?
Scissors.
Ah, okay.
Remember Simon used scissors?
Tinatanong ni Saker si Hol kung gusto niyang watch. Kasi may pambili ka, Sak.
Mom, you don't have
I know. Okay, come on. You want that one? How about you, Sak? Ito ang gusto ni Kuya. Ito lang yung nakuha niya dito. I know you do. Si Kuya may tinuturo kay Holly.
I really want this. I like this.
Alarm. You don't need alarm.
This one I need.
Pardon, Holly? You like that one?
I do need one because
Let me
I always
see.
look at that.
You want this one? Okay, gusto raw niya yan. No, just one, Baba. Ah, that's it, Baba.
Mom, you could fit this.
Well, no.
Could I get a paper clip?
You like that one? Is that final?
Wow, I like this one. $20.
Let me see. No, you don't need this, Baba. Let me see, let me see.
How much is the pencils?
Can you put this on Holly's arm, please?
We do. Oh, what are these things? No, I'm not. Mom, I don't want one of these.
No, you don't need that, Baba.
Because you gotta do your password.
No.
I don't. I have to calculate. This is if we are. Mom, guess how many this is? How much is this?
I don't know. $1 only?
Says? It says over here, Mom.
Yeah, okay. How about you, Sak? Ito rin naman, napapatagal na naman tayo kay Sak. Hurry up, Sak.
Please get a pencil case.
Sak, uwi na kami, Sak. Kamusta ka na? Si Sak na lang talagang hinihintay namin.
See, look. See?
Meron siyang napili.
Press that button.
Okay.
Oh, look. Then we open that.
Yep.
Press that button. Oh.
Okay. You want that one too, Kuya?
Take two.
Do you want one? Okay.
Mom, look at these ones.
Ito marami naman itong napipili.
This is for you.
No, I'm alright. Okay. How about you, Kuya? Sak, ikaw? You're done? Yeah, okay. Kuya?
I really want the same as Zach, but then we're gonna get mixed up.
That's right. Ano, I can put name.
You put that.
Okay, you want? Gusto niya daw the same kay Sak. No. Kasi meron na silang pencil case na ganito. Ganito. I'll put names. Okay? I know. Where's yours? The yellow one. I'm just gonna put names. He wants this one too, Zach.
It's a gaming thing.
It's alright. I can put name.
I know.
I can put name. Okay?
Wait, hang on. There's one down the bottom.
Ayaw ni Zach na pareho sila. Wow. Yeah, you can put name here. See?
Mom,
You don't want...
can I bring this to school?
Okay, go the blue one then.
We'll put names because it's
Yeah, it's alright, Zach. Huh? No, Papa, what's that? Smiggle what? Party mix. We're not having a party, Baba.
Oh no, you decorate stuff.
Okay, no, Baba.
What?
Put it back, come on. Okay, come on. Ito ba yung sinasabi ko kung napano to?
I will have this.
Okay, come on. That's it. Okay, we're good. Okay, put that one there, Baba. Put that one there. Thank you. Yes, bag, please.
Want one in the bag.
Or just get one bag. Yes, please. Huh?
What's clear?
Very nice. There's nothing, Baba. Thank you. See ya. You too. Okay, let's go. Ayan na si John. Bis ulit siya.
These are cool. Dad, this bag.
Nagyayabangan sila, oh. O, diba?
How is this? See that? Mom, this is a bag.
That's for your pencils.
You know how to look like this, Dad?
Alright, put in the bag now. Wow, basag tayo dito. Hanapan natin ang damit si Veronica. Eto, meron ako napiling pang regalo kay Veronica. Binilang ko siya ng mga damit. Halos mga halos dress. Tapos, ilan ba ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na parang dress. May jumpsuit. Tapos, isang hoodie. So, eto na lang ang iregalo natin kay Baby V. Eto, gusto ko itong isa. Ang ganda. Halos mga cute siya. Ayan, oh.
Are we going?
Thank you. See ya. You too. Andun lang sila naghihintay sa akin habang nasa cotton on. Come on. Oi.
You three.
Honey.
Oh,
You could have done it nicely.
this is nice.
No. Here.
No, I did it.
Ah, you did. Dinagyan na nila ng pangalan. Dito na kayo sa car and nababahuan si Jan sa amoy ng aking Mexican food. Ay, natapo na yung sauce. Come on, kakainin ko ito kila Blue Eyes. Okay.
People like this hot.
I do like it. Palitan niya na to. Nagpa-picture. Sabi ko, pwedeng palitan mo muna. Magpa-picture lang tayong dalawa. Sabi ko, stallin lang. Basta si Sak ang kumuha. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Insert ko na lang.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Okay, excited na sila sa pencil case nila. Mag-change daw ulit si Jan mamaya. Why? Punta na tayo kila Blue Eyes.
We're going.
Alam niyo, ang ganda nitong ano, wala akong linagay na bobby pin or hairpin. Pero ayan, nag-stay talaga siya dyan. Oh, I like it. Do you like my hat, Han?
Hard.
Sabi niya, bakit ka nakahat? Sabi ko, wala. Gusto ko lang maging, ano, Korean. Korean, sabi niya ko, nothing.
No.
Now we're going to Hunter's
I
house.
won't be home
Why?
in 2
Ah,
hours.
yeah, he's still at school. Oh, kasi
Yeah, he
Friday
finishes
ngayon eh.
at 3 o'clock. It's unfair that he gets to finish at 3 o'clock. We get to finish at 3:13.
It's alright. Stop lang kami dito sa gasolinahan kasi kumuha naman siya ng
Okay.
coffee. And si Jan,
I'll put that on in the back.
ayan, nag-ano na si Jan, nag-DIOS na. Nagpalit na ulit siya.
I'll put it in the bag.
Bango.
I'm 40, please.
Ah, alright, Baba. Daddy got you water.
Start.
Kumuha siya ng, wala yung coffee na gusto niya. Ito yung coffee na kuha niya.
Coffee, Mom.
That's for Daddy. And ito. Yes? Already?
No, he put his rubber in the rubber thing. Now it's stuck in there. Mom, I do not know why I got this pen.
Gustong gusto nila yung pencil case.
I do not know why I got this rubber. Have a look. Someone ripped the thing off.
It's alright.
No, now it doesn't look like a banana.
Why you didn't look?
I never.
Let me see, akin na. Hala, di pa nakakarating sa atin. Sira na agad. Hindi na napupush yung ano. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang. Yeah. Naayos na ni Daddy.
Don't put it in there, Tonga.
Tanga. Sabi ni Daddy, tanga. Ito ba yung nilagay niya, oh? Okay, here. Will you guys see to your dad? Here, kay Kuya, hindi niya lang napansin, walang ganito yung isa, oh. Natanggal yung isa. Okay. Keep it now, please.
There to say there's nothing but space in between you.